So welcome back to this Java tutorial. In this video we'll talk about packages. So what exactly packages are? So let's say we have 6 or 7 classes here. So we have ACC controller, we have account DAO, we have account service, we have call controller, we have DAO, which is call DAO, and we have call service. So let's say you're making a very big project, where you're working on something very big. Now in this case, when you are making a big application, you'll be working with multiple classes, of course, right? So in this example, I have taken only 6 classes. So let's say you're working with maybe around 70 to 80 classes. In this scenario, if you have all the classes in the same package, it will be difficult to manage. Now to make it more manageable, if we want to make it more structured, what we can do is we can create certain packages or the folders in which we'll be having all these classes. Example, if we talk about this class, which is ACC DAO, and this call DAO, both are DAO layer classes. Again, what is DAO doesn't matter, but both these classes will deal with databases. So you want these classes should be in one folder. Example, when you have let's say when you want to listen to music and when you have lots of songs in your computer, you'll be having multiple folders, right? So let's say for new songs you'll be having one folder, for old songs you'll be having one folder, for rock songs you'll be having different folder. In the same way, for different classes we have different folders. So now how to put this all into packages? What you can simply do is you can create multiple package. Again, doesn't matter which IDE you work with, maybe Eclipse or NetBeans. You'll be getting option of new, and we can mention Java package. We'll name this package as, let's say, DAO package. Now this package DAO, which is here, you can see, this package will have 2 classes. One is ACC DAO and call DAO. So you can select both using Control and click. Just drag it to this package, and you're shifting. You have to just refactor it. Now you're shifting these 2 classes into this package. Sounds great, right? Now let's say we have one more thing. Let's say we want to create one more package. So we'll say right click new, and this package will be for controllers. So you have these 2 classes here, which is ACC controller and call controller. Now that doesn't matter what those classes do, but by name they are doing the same task, right? They are doing similar task. So account controller works with accounts, call controller works with call, right? They will be doing some task. And then we require one more package, which will be, let's say, service, and we can send these 2 classes in this service package. So you can see we are providing a structured way of all the packages. So we can have a folder which is pack example. In that folder we have pack example.controller, and then controller we have these 2 classes. So we have this structured way. So let's say now if you want to use a particular class, let's say I want to create object of accounts DAO. So I can say account DAO, okay, and then we can say obj equal to new account DAO. Right, we can create the object, but you can see we are getting error. It simply says we are not able to find where is that class. So we need to import the package. How to import the package? We can simply say we can simply say import pack example.dao.account DAO. So we are importing this way, and how that class is created. So we can say account DAO, and at the top we are writing package example, pack example.dao. So we got a folder which is pack example. In that folder we have DAO folder. In that DAO folder we have account DAO as a class or a file. Sounds perfect. Now there's one more advantage of creating these classes or creating packages. So let's say we have one more package, or let's say we have one more class. Let me create a class here, and the class name coincidentally the class name is also ACC controller, but this ACC controller is not account controller. This is your access controller. So we have 2 files with the same name, and you can see we are getting errors, right? We cannot create 2 files with the same name if they are into same package. What we can do is we can say this is for access, this is for permission. So we can say this is access package, and you can create the same class name provided they belong to a different package. Sounds great, right? So what we'll do is we'll see how this structure is created in a folder. Now this is our folder here, so which we have created as a package here. So this is your folder, which is pack example. In this pack example, we have two things. We have in fact we have four folders. One is access, one is controller, second is DAO, and then we have service, as we have defined here. And when I go to DAO, we have two files here. And that's the advantage of creating packages. You can separate, or you can create the classification of all your classes. So it will be helpful for your project. It will be helpful to maintain your project. So that's it. That's how you create packages. That's how you import packages. And yeah, that's it from the video. So thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for the videos.